Hi, superstars. It is time for science. We are on Module 1, Lesson 1, and we are on page 12 of your science notebook. Open up to page 12 and let's read this together. This is a performance task, so it's a moving car. So if you have a moving car at home, a little toy car, you can grab that. And if you have string or a yarn, here's some materials you can use. You can get some string or yarn to tie to your car because we are going to see how to move this car. So the first thing we're going to do is use a push to make the car move. So push the car to make it move. Remember, a push means you are adding force away from you. So you're pushing the car away from you. Now, if you have a string on your car or something to pull it by, use a pull to make the car move. So pulling means applying force and you're making the car move towards you. It is coming to you. So a push, you are moving the car away from you, and a pull, you are bringing the car to you. So down here, what we're going to do is draw a push. Right here, it says draw a push. So right over here, we're going to draw a push. You're going to draw pushing the car. So let's draw a car. And we are going to draw a push. So here we are. We are pushing this direction. So the arrow is showing that we are pushing the car away from us. Here we are, and we're pushing the car. And that is a push. We are pushing the car. Now, if you have a string on your car, we can show what a pull looks like. So let's say we have a string here attached to our car. Now we are going to draw a pull. So we are pulling on the string and the car is moving towards us. And that is a pull. You are pulling it towards you with that string right there. So that's a string and these are our hands pulling it towards us. So make sure you have your name and the date on your paper. And we are going to go to the next page, which is 13. Let's go to page 13. We are on page 13 now. Let's read our essential question. All right, before we do that, make sure you write your first and last name and the date on your paper. I want to see how nice you write your name. So our essential question is, how do pushes and pulls affect the way objects move? So we are going to write our answer down here. So how do pushes and pulls affect the way objects move? Remember that pushes and pulls are a force. We either use a push to push something away from us, and that is using a force, or we use a force and we pull something towards us. So let's write here, and it's going to be a little sloppy when I write it, so bear with me. A force can make objects move. So we are using a force when we make objects move. All right, so you can write that, and you can write neater than me maybe, and maybe smaller. Since I'm running out of room, I'm going to erase this and start on my next sentence. So a force can make objects move. All right, this is my next sentence. A push, you can just add this along to that first sentence. I just ran out of room. A push or pull can make objects move. So a force can make objects move. A push or a pull are forces, and they can make objects move. So that is how pushes and pulls affect the way objects move. They are forces. All right, superstars, you're doing a wonderful job. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.